Question number 32. So it says that if all the binary numbers from 100 to 10 raised to power 6 are written, find the total number of ones used in these numbers. Okay, so first check that what is 100 in a binary. That is 4. Binary means base 2, right? So in base 2, 100 is 4, 1000 is 8, then 10,000 is 16, and if I put one more 0, this will be 32, and if I put one more 0 again, this will be 64. Okay, so from 100 to this, in the base 10, these are 4 to 64 numbers. There are total of 61 numbers given, right? So it asks what is the total number of ones used in all these numbers. So let us quickly calculate how many 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit and 7-digit number are there, right? So if I say numbers, these 3-digit numbers are 4, 5, 6 and 7. These 4 numbers when converted into binary, I will get a 3-digit number, right? From 8 onwards, I will get a 4-digit number. So from 4-digit number in binary, I will get 8 to 15, that is 8 numbers, and 5-digit numbers will be 16 to 31, that is 16 numbers are there. Similarly 6-digit number will be 32, and 7-digit number is only 1, that is 64 in base 10. So these all are 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, 6-digit and 7-digit numbers respectively. Number of numbers, right? So these all numbers when converted into binary started with 1, right? So from here, if I add all the numbers, I will get 61 ones from here, right? Now the first digit will be 1 in all these numbers, so I will get 61 ones. Now what are the rest of the numbers? So let us take this 3-digit number. So this 3-digit number, the first number is 1, which I have already counted. The rest will be 2 digits, and the rest 2 digits will be each in all these 4 numbers. So I will get total of 8 digits, right? So similarly here I will get 1 out of 4 digit. The first digit I have already counted, the rest remains is 3 digits. So in all 8 numbers, these 3 digits sums to 27. Similarly here 64, here 160, and here the rest of all I will get zeros only, so I will not count here, right? When I add up to all these digits, I will get 256 digits in total, right? So one thing more, apart from the first digit in all these numbers, all the digits have equal numbers of zeros and ones, right? So if there are total of 256 digits, so half will be 0 and half will be ones. So I will get 128 ones from here also. So total number of ones will be 189. So your answer for this question will be 189 ones.